What is Epicureanism? Epicureanism is a school of thought in ancient Greek philosophy founded by Epicurus of Samos. It holds the belief that the best life is one of long-term pleasure that results from moderation. Epicureanism has often been misunderstood because people tend to collapse it with extreme hedonism, which is known for the famous line, "Eat now, drink now, have sex, and be merry, for tomorrow you will die." For Epicurus, on the contrary, the ultimate goal of life is not the attainment of maximum pleasure, but ataraxia, or peace of mind. Peace of mind characterizes what Epicurus calls the good life, which for him must be attained in this world. In fact, Epicurus believed that postulating supernatural influences in nature was a source of terror. For this reason, Epicurus and his followers preferred naturalistic explanations to supernatural entities, and they strongly protested against magic, astrology, and divination. This led Epicurus's passionate disciple Lucretius to proudly refer to the master as the destroyer of religion. The type of pleasure, therefore, that we can glean from Epicurus's notion of hedonism is one that results from the satisfaction of one's basic needs. Hence, in this sense, the good life for Epicurus consisted more of the absence of pain than the presence of intense pleasure. In fact, for Epicurus, intense pleasure must be avoided, because it is always followed by pain, such as having a headache after drinking too much alcohol. Epicurus also urged his followers to avoid power and fame, because such things make others envious and they may become enemies. This explains why Epicurus and his followers withdrew from society and lived a simple life. As a matter of fact, for Epicurus and his followers, the good life is simple, free, rational, and moderate. And in this sense, the good life is characterized by sufficient food, a comfortable dwelling, peaceful relationships, and good friends.